Hello YouTube, this is John from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small haul from Dollar Tree. And some of my stuff is already been taken out because I picked up some items for my grandson. Sorry, he already got into it. But I did pick up some foam mounting tape. The one that's already pre-segmented, so I got 2 of those, which I'm sure you've seen these at the Dollar Tree. And a little index card holder for him. For this, he created a game. And anyway, so he uses index cards. He has these the soldiers or whatever, and they have like how many lives they have and whatever, all this different stuff. So anyway, that's just to keep his stuff that he drew pictures of, and this game that he makes me play with him. Which I don't ever know what I'm doing, but anyway, he makes his rules up and we play this game. But I just want to show you some more yarn. So the last time I showed you, they had more of the primer colors. Like the last time when I showed you, I had my haul. These are some of the colors I got the last time. Some of the primary ones, navy green, yellow, blue, like that. So this time they brought some more out, which I was surprised again. But these are more some of your winter colors, some of your cold colors, and some of your. They had a couple of neon ones. They had some double color thread, which I didn't get any of those. But they had like 4 shades of gray. So I only got 2 of them. This is the soft gray, and then this is the dark gray. They also had, I think it was true gray, and one was called sky gray, I think it was. And then I picked up these 2, like the baby colors. So this one is called Sky, and then this one is called Baby Pink. And then this was the Carrot, more like almost like a neon color, pretty color though. And then this one is Cherry Red, and this one is Burgundy. And they had another, like 2 more purples. This is the lavender, and they had probably 2 more greens, and this is the mint. So that's just some of the colors. So just let you know, I don't know if you know, I think it was like 2 weeks ago when I showed you these, and I just put these back in the bag so I can put them all out at one time to show you. So they are bringing them more out again. Now I do live not too far from a distribution center, but these are not produced by the Dollar Tree. These are by Karen. So I would anticipate that some of the other Dollar Trees will be getting them sooner if they haven't already got them. So anyway, just wanted to share that. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.